So andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Tower Centera to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit, 11th floor, Tower 2, Avida Tower Centera. So ito yung kitchen natin, over and under cabinets. And then yung bathroom, again very spacious. This is the living and dining area. So meron siyang view ng amenities. And then view ng konting EDSA or city view. Tapos facing, ayan, yung other tower. So this is as is where is. Upon turnover, around 5.1 million for bidding. And available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance. Bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make a bid, please message us directly. As you can see, maayos pa naman yung unit. Kailangan lang siguro ng konting repairs. Ayan. And again, as is where is po tayo dito. So, we suggest you bring your architect or your contractor upon viewing para mag-estimate na rin po sila. Okay? So again, if you are interested, please message us directly. Meron tayong landscape garden, and then tawag dito is outdoor gym, and then swimming pool area nya, adult, kiddie pool, lap pool. Ayan. Generous din siya sa swimming pool. Yung gym nila. So this is the amenity area.